In this video, we will learn how to find out the number of firms in perfect competition in the long run. The question is, the long run cost function of all identical firms in a perfectly competitive industry is given as is. We are being given the cost function of a representative firm as C is equal to 25Q minus 3Q square plus 1.5Q cube. Okay, Q denotes the output of each firm. The market demand function is being given as P is equal to 2500 minus 0.25 Q, which is capital here, that is the output of the total industry. We have to find out the number of firms in industry at equilibrium. Okay, now what happens in the long run, and let me write it here. In the long run, the equilibrium condition is we equate price with average cost and marginal cost. This is the long run equilibrium condition in case of perfect competition. Since we have to find out the number of firms, so how do we find out the number of firms? First thing is we need to find out the output produced by each firm. Okay, so output produced by each firm, that is Q, we need to find out. Then we need to plug the value of Q, and let me explain it here. We will not go into further detail. I will explain how we find out the number of firms. Okay, so first thing is we have to find out the average cost and marginal cost. Let us first find out the average cost. Average cost is total cost upon output, so we divide this total cost function with Q, so we get 25 minus 3Q plus 1.5 Q square. This is our average cost. What about marginal cost? That is the total change in the total cost due to the change in the output. That is the derivative of this function with respect to Q. Derivative of Q in the first term is 1, so we are left with 25 minus derivative of Q square is 2Q, so 2 3s are 6Q plus derivative of Q cube is 3Q square, so 3 into 1.5, it comes out to be 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 4.5 Q square. Okay, so equilibrium requires we equate average cost with marginal cost. Let's equate these two. So AC is equal to MC implies, let us see here, so we have 25 minus 3Q plus 1.5 Q square, and we equate with the marginal cost, which is 25 minus 6Q plus 4.5 Q square. Okay, solving further, 25 gets cancelled, so we have minus 3Q. Transposing this, it becomes plus 6Q is equal to, we have 4.5 Q square on RHS. Transposing this, it gets subtracted 1.5 Q square. So minus 3 plus 6 it comes out to be 3Q is equal to 4.5 minus 1.5, it comes out to be 3Q square. Okay, so here you can see 3 and 3 gets cancelled, 1Q gets cancelled, we get Q is equal to 1. That means output produced by each firm is equal to 1. Okay, now we need to find out the average cost corresponding to the output level of 1. Okay, so what will be the average cost? Average cost when Q is equal to 1, simply plug Q is equal to 1 in this equation. So we have 25 minus 3 into 1 plus we have 1.5 into 1. Okay, so we will get 25 minus 3 plus 1.5. okay, so it comes out to be 22 plus 1.5, which comes out to be 23.5. that is the output produced by each firm. Okay, rather this is our average cost, and we know that in case of perfect competition in long run, price should be equal to average cost. And what will be the price? So price will be equal to 23.5. okay, we got price is equal to 23.5. okay, now what is the total output produced in this industry? Simply plug P is equal to 23.5 here, we will get the total output of the industry. Okay, so let us do it here. So in place of P we have 23.5. 23.5 is equal to, we have 2500 minus 0.25 Q. okay, subtracting this, so we have 2500 minus 23.5, so it becomes 10.5, we have 9.3 9 7 4 4 So we get 2476.5. Okay, so we have okay, when I transpose it, it becomes 2476.5. so 0.25q is equal to 2476.5, or q will be equal to 2476.5 upon 0.25. I don't know what is this value. Okay, then what will be the total number of firms in the industry? We know that total number of firms in the industry will be equal to, that is, output produced by one firm times the number of firms, that is, number of firms times the output produced by each firm should be equal to the total output, which is 2476.5 upon 0.25, or n will be equal to, let us divide it by 0.25. What will we get? Let us find out here. So we have 2476.5, it becomes 100 divided by 25. Okay, so we will get 4, so we will get 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 25 26, 2 gets carried, so 4 7s are 28, 29 30, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. I am not able to do the basic division, so we should get 2476.5 into 4. Okay, when we solve this, we will get the number of firms. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. You find out this video helpful. Thank you.